Hi everyone, it's Lynsey at Barbour ABI. In today's video, we're going to be looking at tags. So tags are a way of cherry picking projects and companies from the platform and putting them into folders. You can create as many tags as you want within the platform, and you can add as many projects or companies into these tags that you create. To add a tag, you either need to be in a list of projects or companies. You can click onto a project. So I'm going to click onto a project here. Up at the top, there are some quick links, and one of these is tag. You can just click that. It will drop you to the activity section here. And the first option here will be tags. Where it says create new tag, if I click that, any tags you've previously created would be loaded below. Any tags that load that are white mean that they belong to you. Only you can see those tags and what's in them. Anything that's blue, it means they're a shared tag. Either they belong to you and you've shared them with somebody, or somebody in your company has shared them so that you can see them as well. You can create as many tags as you need. You can see these white ones belong to me. I've got one called Call March. I've got a follow-up tag. So in the follow-up tag, any projects I need to look at again, I can put in there. I can keep track of any projects that we lost. I've got a key account, new contractors to call. These are folders that I'm going to put companies into to keep track of. And below, I've got a one tag. So any projects that I win within the data, I can put into this tag as well. So you name them whatever you want, relevant to how you want to track the projects and companies. So for this one, I'm going to put this project here into my follow-up tag that I've already got. So I'm going to select the tag, click add tag at the right, and you can see just below, it's telling me here that I've got it in the follow-up tag. Also, you can put projects, companies into multiple tags as well. So as well as being in that follow-up tag, I might want to create a new tag to put this project into as well. So I could create another tag, call this one callback March. I'm going to select it here, click add tag at the right, and it's created a separate tag called callback March, and it's in that one as well. So I've got two tags, follow-up and callback March, two tags related to that one project. And when you go into a project at the top, you will also see if it's in any tags here. There'll be a little icon. Also within this project here, if I was then started looking at the projects and the roles and companies that were within this project, I can see all the roles here. And if I decided now, oh, I haven't dealt with them before, I definitely want to give them a call, I can also select this company to add into a tag. So I'm going to select this company here by ticking on the tick box. Just at the top of the list there, there'll be three dots appear, and you can then opt for tags again. So I'm going to decide to put them into a tag I've already got, which is new contractors to call. I'm going to select it here, click add tag, and click done. So within that project now, I've got the project to follow up in my follow-up tag. I've got it also in a tag callback March, and I've also picked the contractor out of that and put that into a separate tag to follow up that company. If I come back out of this project, as well as doing it from inside a project or inside a company, if you have a list here, like we've got here, you can put multiple into a tag from a list. So if I decided, right, this Harrogate Convention Centre, Lowestock Road, and this co-op store here. So I'm selected three from the list, and at the top I'll get the little dots, and I'm going to select tags again. And again, you just pick which tag you want to put it into, or you create a brand new one. So I'm going to put this into, again, my follow-up tag. These are projects I want to follow up. Click add tag, click done. And you'll also see from a list, anything that's in a tag will have this little icon at the bottom. So you can see it's got a little tag. It says one. This project here is in two tags. This one's in one. So that's how you would add them in, whether you're in a list of projects, whether you're in a list of companies. It's the activities and the tag function. Once you've created all of these, you've been adding projects or companies into these tags, you view them from the blue bar at the left, this little icon here, the person with the star, and you click on there. At the top, you'll click the option for tags, and you'll see all the tags load here. At the top, all these blue ones are tags that have been shared. If I hover over any of these, you can see here, this one, a little bin appears. This first one, it doesn't. If no bin appears, it means that that belongs to somebody else and they've shared it with you. If you hover over one, this little bin appears, it means it's your tag and you've shared it with somebody. So that will give you the option to be able to delete that if you don't want to see it. So if I click delete on that shared tag, it will remove it. The tags down at the bottom indicate here my tags that only I can see them. So those white tags, only I can see these and projects and companies I've put in them. You can see the number next to them. So callback March, I've got one, call March 1, follow up 110. So if I click follow up here, it will load those 110 projects that I've cherry picked and put into that tag. If I want to share this with other colleagues, at the top right, there's an option here to share. Any colleagues' names will load. You select the name, and you click share. That will then sit within their tag folder as well. So they'll be able to see anything that goes on in this tag. Any projects you no longer, or companies that you no longer want to have in that tag. So you might decide this project here, this Harrogate Convention Centre, I'm going to click on it. I no longer want this in that tag. So I just go back to activities and you can see the follow-up tag there. So I'm going to hover over it, click on the little cross, and it's removed it from the folder. So that Harrogate Convention Centre, if I click back, it will drop out of this list. You can see it's now disappeared from the top. So anything you no longer want in your tag, you can remove. And if I come back again, these tags, once you no longer need them, you just click on the little bin. So I'm going to click on the bin next to that call March, click delete, and it will remove the tag.
Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about the Barbour ABI platform, don't forget to check out the full training room playlist available via the help button on the platform and on the My Barbour ABI page of our website. If you'd like to book onto one of our training sessions or receive your own bespoke training, just get in touch. Have a great day.